In this video, I will show how to download and install DirectX Software Development Kit. So visit this URL. I will give link in description. After that, select your language. Then just click on download. Downloading will start automatically, so just you have to wait for few minutes. Once this complete, so double click on that setup file, then install in your system, and once this installing process will complete, close your windows and restart. Hopefully guys, after restart you can successfully download and install this DirectX software development kit. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.